it's Ivy, and welcome to the Coupon Camp. We are going in Walgreens to do our couponing deals this week for 9/24 to 9/30. And first, let me just put a little disclaimer on. I want to say happy birthday to my granddaughter, Andy. She's the big 12 years old today. Happy birthday, Andy. Mama, I love you. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get these deals. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to grab when we walk in the store is the Arm and Hammer. It is on sale. Remember, it's one of their deals of the week. We went over through this in my deals of the week preview. Now, remember I told you one of these was going to give you money back on Ibotta. Let's look at what's not going to give it back to you first. See this 21 loads? No, that is not. Let me show you. That's not. You're going to grab this one. Remember, it's the same exact size. That's okay. But 28 loads is the one that's going to give you back the money on Ibotta. Okay. That is where you're getting the money back on Ibotta. So if you are one of my people that does bundles, please grab this because this is the one going to give you money back. So you pay 99 cents for this. So I'm going to grab 5 of these because I'm going to take it to the limit. Okay, which I did. Got 5 of those. Now I have $17 in cash that I have to use today. Okay. But you guys know those $6 coupons that we got? Those are the ones I'm going to use for these. So I'm going to use 3 each and pay just taxes on them. And then I'm going to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these right here at $1.99 each. 6. Okay. Another one. I'm going to use my register rewards to pay it down with. I was trying to see if my store had a limit. I don't see a limit posted. Okay, another thing I'm going to grab some of these. Now, you guys know how I am about all the colors matching each other, right? So I love for my colors to match. Remember, I told you it is a good selling point when you sell bundles. So I'm going to make all my colors except these blues. We're going to grab some of 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm selling to 3 people. Yeah, 2 people. So now here is the Ibotta right here. And this is when it tells you, see the loads, 24 to 33 loads only. You get $1 back. And you're going to do that 5 times. And plus it qualifies for a bonus. Let's see, I want to see if I can touch that. I can't. So it's up to 5 times. So I'm going to complete mine today on this one. And then I have one more that I'm going to complete. All right. So let's get that done. So we're going to pay 99 cents for the liquid bottles only. Liquid only. And then you're going to sell them in your bundles if you want to. Okay, so here it is. Here, $1 Hammer bundle. And that is the bonus. Earn $1 when you redeem 2 offers. How to complete this bundle. Redeem 2 unique Hammer offers. And you'll get bonuses, okay, back. All right. Now, if they had this one, you also can do that one, but that one is only at Dollar General. So no, make sure you pick the one at Walgreens to do. All right. There you go. Okay, then I'm going to grab one of your Persil Pro Clean Oxys. They're at $5.99 each. Ibotta is going to give me $1 back. So today I've already made $6 in Ibotta back. So I made $6 today. Okay, and here it is right here. You could do the Persil and you could have a limit of 5 times. Okay. So you can do that. You're going to get $1 back. Let's hit it and see what's going on right here. Redeem it. I scanned it and hit 40 count. Order this for 15 or 16 count. Okay. Remember, Ibotta is one of my good detergents that I like to buy. If you sell this in a bundle, please, please get your money back, guys. It's very expensive. Okay. Okay. Next, we're going to grab the Angel Soft. It is 2 for $9. But if you buy 3 of these, you will get a $3 register reward back. Also, you get a $1.50 off coupon if you buy 3 also. So, yes, they are 2 for $9. But if you buy 3, you will get a $3 register reward and you get a $1.50 off. Now, is this a good deal? Not if you particularly are buying for you. But if it's a good resale, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get these bundles sold. Let's make some money, guys. Yes. So today I grabbed 3 of those because they are going in my Arm & Hammer bundles. Here's the 3 that I grabbed. These are my bond. This is what I'm getting so far right here. And I'm not going to be able to do a lot of shopping today because it's my granddaughter's birthday and I got to get to her birthday party and get everything, help my daughter get some things prepared. It's an all day extravaganza, a circus practically. So that's what I'm getting. I also, and I'm going to grab my Persil personally for me. Now, I will be paying all of this with register rewards that I got. So hopefully taxes. This is about the only thing that I'll be using my $10 that I brought in the store to pay off this. So each one of these, so altogether I'm going to use $10. I should pay about $3 out of pocket for these three. And then all of this just taxes on because I'm going to use my register rewards to pay these down. Okay. So let's go look at some more stuff. Guys, be looking for this bundle video. It is going to be hot. You guys should learn what you need and get what you need out of it in order to resell your products that you have an overabundance of. Okay. Guys, look what I ran into when I came over here for the body wash. You see the coupons for it. Now, I did have some of these, and they are $3 off of two, and they expire 10/1. So yeah, these would be good to grab. But this is it right here. See, these is $7 each. If you buy three, you get a $5 register reward to end on the 30th. We have a coupon for $3 off two also. So you'll have to buy three of those. One of them is going to give you $3 off of two, and I don't have another coupon to match it, but it's also going to give you $5 back in register reward. And so online, you should have $5 off three. It didn't show that to me. So I don't know if I used it or not. I don't remember. But that's good through the ninth. So that's over. Don't quote me on that one. So this end on the 30th. Okay. So the problem is I don't have another coupon for that. And one of my sons, if I don't use Old Spice, something tough on him for showering, Jesus, you'll smell him in an hour. So I need to get that. I'm going to still decide, do I want to wait and get that? I'm going to do my tissue deal, but I have plenty of register rewards, and I'm just going to flip it into this, okay? Because I'm not going over my $10 today, guys. No. All right. So I'm still deciding if I want to do that. Okay, guys. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab two of these giant body washes. Now, they're still $7, right? These are smaller right here, and they $7. So, of course, get the good for your body. I'm going to grab two of these right here. So this is the cracking guard. Grab another one. And then the next thing I'm going to grab is one deodorant. Cracking guard. Still get the bigger one right here. See that? Still works. I scanned it. Still works today. So he's going to have one deodorant and two body washes. Okay. And I'm going to flip it. I'll get the $5 off of that. So that's what we're going to do now. So let's get on and check out. And yes, I'm grabbing one of these. Can't let it go. Okay, guys, you're looking at my Walgreens haul for Sunday, September 24th. This is always until the 30th of September. Okay, so let me tell you, all the Arm & Hammer, all of that was free. And let me show you how I got it. Now, you know I picked up 5 of these. Then I went back and finished my Ibotta deals out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I ended up getting all of these. All right. So let me show you what I did with these last couple deals. Now, the first time I told you I bought the Ibotta, they are $1.99 each. If you go to Ibotta, scan, make sure it say 28 loads. I already showed you what not to do. Get 5 of those. I paid for all 5. Then I use $5 Walgreens cash or $5 in register reward or both. Flip those. Then I'm going to submit these to Ibotta and get $5 back. So these was free. Now, these right here, I did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I end up with 6 of those, and that's for a reason. You know, I'm going to resell all of this. I did the exact same thing. These are not submitted to Ibotta. You will pay $1.99 for this, but your thing is they get your lowest out of pocket, okay? Get that water bottle out of here. Then the tissue was buy 2. They are 2 for $9. But if you buy 3, you get $1.50 off, and then you get a $3 register reward back, which that's what I got right here. Now, and I also ended up with this. Now, I bought the Persil, was $5.99. They gave me nothing off, but it was $1 back from Ibotta, so I did get that. You know, that's my fave, so I'm always gonna grab that. These were also $1.99 and a part of the deal for Arm& Hammer. Now, this is the one that I paid the most for. This was buy 3, you get a $5 register reward. We had a coupon online that was $3 off too. Or if you was in store and your cashiers was honest, they put the $3 off 2 coupon next to it. I grabbed 2 of these. The larger ones are the best size to get. They're bigger and they're the exact same price as the smaller ones. And then I grabbed the larger Old Spice, which was the exact same price as the smaller one, okay? If we look at one of these deals right here, that's the Arm & Hammer. I used the $5 coupon. Subtotal was $2.96. $3 I redeemed, so I paid 96 cents for that one. I'm gonna submit both of these to Ibotta on both of my accounts, and I'm gonna get $5 each for each one of them back. Now, when I did this deal, I took the $5 from this deal and rolled it into one of these deals. So far everything was free. The only thing I paid out of pocket was for the Old Spice and the Persil, and both of these together, along with 2 register rewards and some Walgreens cash, I paid $6 out of pocket, guys. So I hope this guy, you can use this deal, guys, and go and get what you need. If you sell bundles, great time to do bundles with Arm & Hammer, okay? And also the tissue, I'm going to keep the tissue for myself, or I will use the Scott tissue, because I'm not a big fan of that big thing of Scott's tissue. I only use these. Sometimes I use a little more than I use that Scott soft brand. I don't use though. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you all hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon count with everyone. Bye.